In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot WordPress plugin. By the end, you'll be comfortable finding the integration inside HubSpot and kicking off the installation with confidence. This plugin brings HubSpot's CRM tools, forms, live chat, and analytics into your WordPress site, so it's a great way to streamline marketing and support. First, make sure you can sign into your HubSpot account and that you have the right permissions to add apps. If you're on a shared or company account, you may need admin access. Keep your credentials private and avoid entering them anywhere other than HubSpot's official login. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and find the Marketplace button. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled App Marketplace or show a small icon. Click that to go to the Marketplace. Inside the Marketplace, you'll see a search bar front and center. Type WordPress and press Enter. You're looking for the official WordPress integration from HubSpot. Open the listing to review what it includes and scan the overview so you know what features you'll be enabling. This quick check helps you confirm you've got the correct app before you proceed. Next, click Install. At this point, follow the on-screen instructions. HubSpot will guide you step by step, and the prompts may include selecting the correct HubSpot account if you have more than one, reviewing the permissions the integration needs, and confirming that you want to connect. Take a moment to read each screen so you understand what data is being shared and why. If anything isn't clear, pause and review the details before continuing. As you move through the prompts, keep your browser open and avoid refreshing the page until HubSpot confirms the process is complete. If you see a brief loading screen or a redirect, that's normal. Simply follow the guidance you see and let the installer do the heavy lifting. When everything finishes, you'll receive a confirmation in HubSpot indicating the integration has been added. That's all there is to it. To recap, log into HubSpot, open the Marketplace at the top, search for WordPress, click Install, and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If you run into anything unexpected, check for permission requirements or try again in a fresh browser session. With the plugin set up from HubSpot's side, you're ready to take advantage of its tools and enhance your WordPress.